Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today people may have some stories lined up for you. We are going to talk about Bolt and Popcaan. We're also going to talk about Spice and Tommy. I'm going to have a video with Yannick and we might get into Majah's story, give or take, right? So first let's talk about Bolt. So Bolt, you know, it look like Bolt a try off for the music thing. I'm not going to say try off because you don't know him have him resources and things. So and I really try my try. It look like him a do music now, right? But anyway, Bolt post him song and Poppy comment on it. I'm going to tell you what Popcaan say. But first, let's take a listen to Bolt's song. People, so Bolt post the song and this is what Poppy said. With all due respect, legend, I feel like you for just help up some youths with real musical talent. Them they enough. NJ, I'm a fam, but please just give some hungry youths who actually have the talent, the platform there. Happy New Year. And input 2 emoji, a prayer emoji and a black power emoji. Now just for clarify, because the NJ part, at first when me read it, I never understand what, but the star also did the story. So this is what the star said. The star said, Dancehall superstar Popcaan has voiced his opinion on Usain Bolt and his manager, Nugent NJ Walker's single, Living the Dream. Popcaan in the comment on Instagram urged Bolt to help youths with real musical talent. Right? So people, more asking what no make from this. Is it that Poppy I tell Bolt say watch your man? No bother with the music thing. You see what I say? Just help the youth them because you know what I mean and I done legend already. Or him have a problem with Bolt manager doing music. You see what I say? So maybe Poppy I look on it like Bolt can do music, but your manager, no man, you know what I mean? Manager and a musician, so help some real youth. You see what I say? I'm probably Poppy no mean nothing by it, you know what I mean? Him say respectfully. So, you know, he make sure say him nah just tell Bolt what to do, him say respectfully. No, we don't know how Bolt feel about it. You see what I say, people? But I want to hear for no opinion. I want to think Poppy wrong if you tell Bolt that in a comment him should DM him one away and tell him, or I want to think say Poppy should say nothing at all because both are one big man and can vice whoever I want to vice and do whatever I want to do. Want to tell me in the comment section what you think about that. Now people may have a next video with Tommy, and when I talk about Tommy, I talk about the girl from Love and Hip Hop. When I notice that she and Spice, they have them differences in the past, so I say on the show, and you know, she have a video, she make a video with her friend them, but I want to listen carefully, because I got ask you know, want to hear at the end of the video. Listen specifically at the end of the video what she say, right when her friend says she got call Spice. So here is the video, take a listen.
Bitch, don't play no fucking games with me, bitch. I hate this bitch. She thinks she from Jamaica. She not. She not even Jamaican. And bitch be partying with these folks. This hoe be acting like she Jamaican. Got us outside this motherfucking restaurant, man. For goddamn 30 motherfucking this old stupid ass bitch.
That's why them people go
they ain't got shit.
Bitch.
Nobody want but
Spice.
you stupid bitch.
Let me call Spice. This
Call that bitch. You and her gonna get shot, hoe. Stop playing with me, bitch. Like,
they gonna beat your ass right
bitch.
Spice. Pat, she gotta be talking to you.
I can't stand this stupid ass bitch, man. Take me back to the city, man. This is not Miami, bitch.
You ain't going
to
the city,
Broward motherfucking county asshole.
Now people, I find a video like that with Spice picture on it, and the caption I find, it said Tommy says she want to shot Spice. You see me? Now my ear when her friend say she go call Spice, she said call that bitch, you and her gonna get shot. It sound like a that, she said. No more want to tell me if I see anything on the ear or on the ear something else. You see me I say? Because you know I just jump up and take offense and start, you know what I mean, all blazing guns pan Tommy enough for this queen. You see me I say? We want to make sure say Tommy not violate the queen. You see me? So we want to give her a fair chance, people. So no tell me what to hear in the comment section before we find out if we take offense or not. Because you know they can't violate none of the dancehall artists them in here. So me I say same way like Spice, Shensia, Jada, a whole of them we are go hard for. So me I say Chanel Muir, yeah, even Aishana, all of them, Dovey, then we just not take no violation. Them can't diss none of our artists them. So I want to make sure say we hear what she say. Alright people, so no tell me in the comment section, right? And Yannick too, now forget Yannick, the next video it's about Yannick. So I have a video with Yannick people, and Yannick basically I take a money call, you see me I say for 2021. So I'm gonna play that video there for now, and you know what I mean, and we'll come back and we might get into the Majah story. Here goes.
No, please. No, you come here going with a bag of foolishness. I really and truly who will call me? Who that? Oh, hold on. Hello? 2021? What one? Yeah, Happy New Year! We're such about our beer things. Yeah, man. No, but I go like 2020. I can't deal with that. Yeah. So we bring prosperity and so. No, you have to do that. I like your birthday. You're nice. Hold on. What's the next one? Hello? Jesus. What one? No, I'm there 2021, but yeah. Say no for one like 2020. Wait, oh. I'm gonna for one, okay, I'm about. Alright, Jesus. Well, I'm come by the car. 2020, hold on, 2021. Yeah. Jesus. 2021. Walk on. You're nice.
Yeah, people, so let's see where Yanika deal with more money for 2021, right? And it sounds like she have a new song. I'm not quite sure what the title is and who is the artist, but you can hear says an Afrobeat song. And by the way, people, meanwhile, I make that video, you know what I mean, Popcaan just make a post. And this is what the unruly boss say. Man say, I done say what I say. And me no be clad sorry. You see me? So, him definitely say him not take back him chat when him say about Bolt. I'ma keep on a mention this major story. So we have a little time, so I go deal with it and see if we can get the video under 10 minutes. Said we. So this is what Major posts. Him post and say enough is enough. And then him put in the caption and he say, I'm so tired of all this bullshit and I am done with silence. You got your girl back that you never really wanted in the first place. You fucked up my kids and our family. Now I'm hearing about knowing my address and who gonna kill who when they see me. I left New York to get away from the low lives and to give my kids a future. Why the F y'all keep calling up my name in every? Why the lies and threats? Y'all not satisfied yet? I really want to stay positive about everything I've been dealing with since Thanksgiving Day. It's a complete new year and I'm leaving y'all alone to live y'all life. Now I'm hearing I'm supposed to be getting killed. Listen, leave me and my effing kids alone. Go be happy with your slave. I am happy for y'all. Every day I wake up, I am hearing more and more every. Leave me the F alone. What are y'all mad about now? You won. You accomplished what you set out to do. I am out of the picture now. So what y'all want my life to now? This effing world is ridiculous. The devil is really busy. So when you think people, when you think I try off a Major, it sound like, you know what I mean, he must say somebody mash up him family and traumatize him kids basically and now them get back the girl where them never want. So we don't know exactly who, but Jano Star, you see me, I said the year just start with things that we leave all of that over in the next year, but it look like a more problem and not a major story. So I mean I say, but people, when you get in the comment section, tell me what do you think about these stories, the Popcaan and Bolt thing, you know what I mean, the Spice thing with Tommy, and there ain't much to say about the Yannick, but if you don't want for comment about Yannick, that's fine as well. And then this Major eye piece, you can tell me what you think about this, right? So that's the end of today's video, people. And if this is your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, that's an IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yaddy!